Who's drawing the short straw of getting out and filming?
There's no short straws here. More falsehoods from the leftists.
Yeah. Oh man. A bit of grass. That's what that was. There he is, out there getting some video.
Barely even see. Literally looks like the clouds are touching the ground, but it's all snow.
Hello everyone, I hope you're enjoying this video. This was a great storm to plow. We got about 16 inches of fluffy snow because of how cold it was. The cold brings, its own problems and its own things you have to deal with. Everything freezing up on you, the wipers freezing up, it's being cold outside. But the positive thing is it keeps the snow nice and fluffy. But just wanted to take a minute and say, guys, if you are enjoying this, please hit that subscribe button. It really goes a long way, and I have a lot of other videos like this. If you are subscribed and you're watching this, thank you so much for the support, guys. It really means a lot. But this is pretty much one of my biggest plow accounts, residential plow accounts that I take care of. So I wanted to split this up and make it its own video. But I have a lot of parts to this day just because of how much snow there was. But check it out on our channel, The Christian Hardscaper, and check out the plow videos as well as a lot of landscape construction and masonry projects that we do throughout the regular season. Anyway, let's get back to plowing, guys.